Hello everyone, T-Zilla, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I am back again on YouTube, and today I have another figure to review. Hope all of you had an amazing Easter yesterday, because I did. So yeah, let's get to it. Today I will be reviewing the Bandai Movie Monster Series Godzilla Store exclusive, Giant Condor. And wow, this thing is really small. So I'm just gonna have to use a Nintendo DS and put it on top so it can stand up. Well, not stand, I mean, so you guys can see. There we go. That's right, Giant Condor from Godzilla vs. the Sea Monster. Pretty good movie, excellent movie. I recommend you to watch it, it's pretty good. Real quick, we're gonna take a look at its tag. Here's a nice shot of the Giant Condor. Here's its name in Japanese. And the inside of its tag. All this stuff in Japanese, which is pretty basic. Back of the tag. So yeah, that's the tag. Now let's put the case on and go on to detail. There we go. Now let's go on to detail. So the detail on this condor is really, really nice. I like how Bandai sculpted the head and the beak. Got all these feathers on the wings. Right here on the front and on the back. I mean, just look at that. That's really nicely detailed. Same with the tail. Neck. Underside. Now on to paint job. Paint job is not 100% accurate. In the film, Giant Condor was more of a dark brownish color, but this one they painted it different. They gave it a different brown. On the wings here, and on its back, on the back they gave it a brick reddish brownish color, and on the front underneath they gave it a light brownish color. Same on the feet and on the head, beak. Yeah, but it's not that bad. I mean, I still like the color, but I wish they could have gave it a accurate color. They could have gave it an accurate color for the Giant Condor, like a dark brown all over its body. I mean, that would have been really nice. And the eyes are painted. You got black pupil. I forgot to mention this, that the tag, there's no color. It's just black and white, just like Ebura's tag. So the detail is really nice on the Giant Condor. The paint job is pretty good. It's not 100% accurate, but I still like it. And now we're going to go into size comparison, because this figure has no points of articulation. So that's 0 points of articulation. So now let's go into size comparison. First off, let's compare him with Godzilla. And sizing does look pretty good. Giant Condor was pretty small in the movie, so sizing here looks pretty good. Excellent. Next, Ebira. Mothra. Rodan. Now let's do an Ultra Monster. Fire Litra. Last one. I don't have a Bandai Toho King Kong, so I'm just going to compare him with Monsterverse Kong. This one with the Beast Glove. My final thoughts. It's okay. Giant Condor isn't really my favorite monster, but it's really nice to have a Giant Condor figure from Bandai. Detail looks perfect. Paint job is not 100% accurate. 0 points of articulation. And sizing. This figure is pretty small, so the figure itself is going to get a 10 out of 8. I'll give it that score. Now, if you're looking to add a Giant Condor figure from Bandai, and if you don't have it, check on eBay because that's where I got mine. And if you really like the figure, go ahead and get it. I highly recommend it to you. So that's my review for today. Thank you all so much for watching my content. You guys are awesome. I really do appreciate it. If you guys like what you see, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and comment down below. And I will see you all in the next video. See ya!